So hyperconjugation. So that is possible in alkyl cations, okay, which are carbocations, alkyl carbocations, alkenes, and also alkyl arenes. But it is not possible in alkyl carbanions, okay. So hyperconjugation is possible in alkyl carbocations, alkenes, alkyl arenes, but it is not possible in alkyl carbanions, okay. So alkyl carbocation, just now we say that carbocation example, okay, ethyl carbocation example. So now coming to alkene, if you take propene as example, so for alkyl carbocation, so we take ethyl carbocation as example, which contains unshaded p orbitals in it. Then coming to alkenes, alkenes contains sp2 hybrid orbital. So hyperconjugation that is observed in alkene. So what is a hyperconjugation? Displacement of sigma electrons of CH bond that is observed in alkene, where that carbon, that atom gets attached with sp2 hybrid carbon, whereas in carbocation atom gets attached with another atom which having the unshaded p orbitals in it, okay. So first let us take propene as example, okay. Propene, alkene. Okay. So this is propene. And here we observe hyperconjugation. What is hyperconjugation? Displacement of sigma electrons of CH bond. CH bond of alkyl group, that is must. CH bond of alkyl group to the atom which is attached to either sp2 hybrid carbon or unshaded carbon. Unshaded carbon having unshaded p orbitals. Okay, so in carbocations, so atom gets attached to another atom which having the unshaded p orbitals in it. And here in propene, so sigma electrons displaces towards the atom which having sp2 hybrid carbon. So here hybridization of this carbon is sp2 hybridization. Okay. So sigma electrons, this is sigma bond, CH bond is sigma bond. So displacement of sigma electrons of CH bond belongs to alkyl group, CH3 group. Okay. Displacement of sigma electrons to the atom which is sp2 hybridized. This is sp2 hybridized atom. Okay. So here displacement of sigma electrons takes place. Okay. Then here also we observe no bond resonance. Okay. So because hyperconjugation is also called as no bond resonance. So resonating structure of propane after the displacement of sigma electrons. Okay. So we get a new structure like this, which is called resonating structure due to the displacement of sigma electrons. Okay. So this is the first structure. Next, CH bond, sigma electrons transfers towards this positive charge. and again we get another resonating structure. Okay, so this is third structure. Next, this electron, transfer of this electron, displacement of the sigma electrons. Again, we get structure. Okay, so in all these structures, structure 2, 3 and 4, we observe no bond between carbon and hydrogen. This carbon and hydrogen. So, that's why this is called as no bond resonance. Okay, so no bond resonance is observed here also. Okay, so hyperconjugation, that is applicable to carbocations, alkyl carbocations, alkenes, and also one more example is also there, alkyl arenes also. But it is not possible in alkyl carbene ions. Okay. Next. For example, if you take arene means here aromatic compound. Alkyl arene. Why? Because hyperconjugation, that is applicable for alkyl arenes also. For example, if you take toluene, okay, methyl benzene. Toluene is methyl benzene. Okay. So, displacement of sigma electrons of this CH bond, okay, which is linked to sp2 hybrid carbon. sp2 hybrid carbon. Okay. So, here also we get different resonating structures. So, due to resonating structures only, that compound that gets stabilizes. Okay. So, due to displacement of electrons, we get different resonating structures here. Okay. Okay. So, all these are different resonating structures. Okay. And we can draw one more structure also. And finally again toluene with a delocalization of electrons. Okay. So, we get 5 resonating structures for toluene. So this is alkyl arene, toluene. Okay. So here also we observe no bond between the alkyl carbon and hydrogen. No bond resonance. This type of resonance is also called as no bond resonance. Okay. So hyperconjugation, that is present in alkyl carbocation, alkenes and alkyl arenes. So in alkyl carbocation, atom linked with another atom having unshared p electrons, p orbitals, and in alkenes and alkyl arenes, here sp2 hybrid carbon gets attached to the alkyl group. Next,